can also do that. But right now I don't want it, so I'm good with that. And now I will say destination field. I want to create a partition on salary. I would like to see the salary. Okay, choose a partition key. So you can also select one or more partition keys. So I just want one partition key as the salary. I'm keeping that. No, I don't want the aggregated ones. I want just the output. So now it is telling me your S3 bucket URL will look like this one. It will generate the output. Okay, and you can create the validations. Like I'm going to create the validation as customer ID is 0. Then ignore the field. I don't want that. Again, I'm going to add if the first name is missing. Then again ignore the field. Similarly, I'm going to create it for last name. If the fields are missing, then ignore the value. Right? Again, I'm going to add for email if it contains the text. So I can give the ignore. If value that contains missing or null, then ignore the record. I will add one more for date. If it is missing or null, then again ignore the record. Okay, not terminate. So these are all the validations I have added, and then I'm going to click on next. You can also add the filters. Okay, so this is done. The fields are mapped from source and the destination. I have kept the same field names and schema is also same. These are the validations, and then we have the option to create workflow. So we have created this workflow with the defined partitions on salary. Now if I run this workflow, what will happen? If I'm going to run this workflow, it is going to execution ID is this, so it is going to show you the execution details and the status over here. Okay, so it is going to take few seconds or few minutes, and then we are done. Since I have selected and partitioned my data on salary, so it has taken all 599 records are processed. It is showing me here. Okay, and this is my output. If I click on this output data set, it shows me the T3 has finished running successfully today, and then this is the output data set. So if I go back to this link, so it is actually going to locating my availability zone and the defined bucket where I have created this. So I have this is my output bucket. Okay, let me come back to apps flow 3 output down. Okay, S3 output. This is the folder which we created. Remember in the prefix. This is the output, and this is the right. We just created the name with this output, and then we have schema 1, and it has created this folder wherein it has segregated the data based on the partition column, which is salary. So let's say if I want to view the people who have salaries,